Hello everyone, this is my video for graphing inequalities on 2D planes, so let's get started. First we have y is greater than 2 over 3x plus 1. Since this is our y equals mx plus b formula, this will be m, our slope, and this will be b, our y-intercept. Let's graph the y-intercept first. Since this is positive 1, we will graph here along the y-axis. And now we can graph our slope. The number in the numerator is the amount of units we will go up or down depending on whether it is positive or negative. And here, since it is positive, we will go 2 units upwards. And now for the number in the denominator, that is the number of units we will go left or right depending on also whether it is negative or positive. Since it is positive, we will go to the right 3 units. And that will lead us to our second point. And if we do this one more time, going 2 units up and 3 units to the right, we are led to our third point. And since our inequality uses greater than and does not include equal to, we will graph this with a dotted line. And finally, we need to decide what part of the line to shade on. For this, we can pick any point on the graph. I will use 2, 0. And with this being x and this being y, if we plug this into our equation, we get 0 is greater than 2 over 3 times 2 plus 1. 2 over 3 times 2 is 4 over 3 plus 1, which is 3 over 3. And we get 0 is greater than 7 over 3, which is not true. Therefore, we will shade on this side of the line. Moving on, we have negative 2y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4. For this, we first have to isolate y. So for this, we will divide by negative 2. And since we are dividing by a negative number, and this also applies for if we are multiplying by a negative number, we have to switch the sign. So therefore, we get y is less than or equal to 3 over negative 2 x plus 2. And now I can start graphing. First, let's start with our y-intercept, with it being positive 2. We will graph right here along the y-axis, and now we can graph our slope. Since we have positive 3 in the numerator, we will go 3 units upwards, and now that we have negative 2 in the denominator, we will go 2 units to the left, and that is our second point. If we do this one more time, going 3 units up and 2 to the left, we are led to our third point. And since our inequality includes equal to, we will graph this with a solid line. And for the last step, we need to decide what side of the line to shade on. For this, we can again pick any point on the line. I will choose negative 3, 0. And with this being x, and this being y, we get 0 is less than or equal to 3 over negative 2 times negative 3 plus 2. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 over 2, which is just 9 over 2, plus 2, which is 4 over 2. And we get 0 is less than or equal to 13 over 2, which is true. Therefore, we will shade on this side of the line. And those are all the practice problems, and I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye!